Okay, Sarah, this is 511 South Harrison, and you miraculously found a place that's like a block away from Ken. So this is the place. It's $1,000, and we need to pay for cable, internet, and electric. And there's no pet fee for your cat. I'm gonna end up catching you somehow. This is Michelle! We're near a school, as you can see. Yeah, Sarah, that's my car. This is ridiculous, but it's cute though. But I'm definitely gonna look at the West Main places that you liked a lot too. This is the bathroom. Laundry is in here. It's not cleaned yet. Apparently we only have a washer. Oh, I think we're getting a dryer. This is one of the rooms. There's people here seeing it too. That's why it's so loud. And window. That's one closet. Cable ready. And this is bedroom number 2. This actually has a bigger closet. No, it doesn't. And then there should be like 3 other pairs of people, I think, and there's parking over there that's no additional cost. So you can have that, or I can park at Ken's or on the street, I don't care. Yeah, that's a little walkway that you have to walk into to get to the front, and then the patio faces VCU. And that's it for here.